Adding zip code to Mastercard. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a zip code to a Master gift card. So let's get started. So let me tell you one thing before we begin. Suppose you are making a new purchase or you are making a payment and it wants you to put the zip code right here. So it does not matter what code you put, it will still work. So suppose if you have a gift card and it's from American region, you have to make sure you are putting the postal code or zip code for the American region. Now the second thing is you can set one. So for that you will go to the Vanilla gift card and after that we will go to their website, which is Vanilla gift card. Now here you have to log in afterward. Yes, you guys can see these are the monster gift cards. Now you will easily be able to set zip code or zip code here as well. After just logging in with your account, you will easily be able to set a zip code for your specific Vanilla Mastercard. That's all. That's how you will be able to add a zip code to Mastercard gift card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.